came out here to check on the stuff, but looks like something's attacking the leaves of the strawberry. So look at this one as well. Strawberry on this one here. There's big one here, so there's another one there. I'm gonna pick it soon. And these, the leaves are attacked by some sort of bug. I don't know. You know, I'm gonna just Google it first before. This is why I came outside, just to hopefully get some more potatoes from this. It has dried out a lot, but I'm just gonna see what I can get. Let's see, guys. Let's see what is there. Any, if any. One not use potatoes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and there we go. There's one there. Yes. And there's another one there, guys. So it's in this container here. This one. Right, I'm just going to have to move some of these things first, and then I'll get back to you guys. Look at that. Don't run away. Don't run away. I need the little shovel, but I don't know what it is. I might not get a lot. I might not get a lot from it, guys, so I'm not gonna get my hopes up at all. Not very big. So I'm just gonna see if I can get the rest of it out, and then I'll get back to you guys. I know that that I said I'll get back to you guys. I'm gonna just dig the rest out and get back to you, but I just had to show you this. Had to show you that one, guys. Look at that. Look at that. It's very windy outside today, but look at that. Oh, guys, that is awesome. Right, I'm gonna get back to you again. I think this is it. So this is what I got from this container here. Last container. I'm gonna show you quickly. So I've put some back in these ones, and already it started to grow, but of course we're not going to get any more until next year, or we might get winter ones, I'm not sure. We'll see. Yes, but look at these, guys. Look at this. Look at this big one, man. Jeez, I'm pissed. Look at that big one. These are okay, not too big, not too small. but they're okay. So I got some really good nice size ones here, as well as little baby ones. So yes guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really wanted to come out and show you quickly, because I was looking outside and I was thinking, oh, I need to take them potatoes out, but anyways, I am out here now and I have managed to take them out. So I'm just gonna go and grab that little strawberry over there, and then I will, yeah, then I'm gonna go then I'll come back show you guys a little bit, because it's not as red, but I'm picking it because I realize when I leave them, they tend to start to eat them, and I don't like that, you know. So yeah, hopefully I can remember that there's some more on it before it gets eaten by anything. So guys, carrot, I don't think it's going to last, you know. We'll see. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and clean these. There's my one strawberry. So yes guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and guys, please just watch the videos to the end, as it does help my channel to grow more, and also like and share them. Okay guys, bye.